The end of the 80s marked the beginning of an exciting time in Berlin. It was then, of course, that the Berlin Wall fell, something that the Neumann company experienced in a very direct way. The company offices were located in the immediate vicinity of the famous Checkpoint Charlie on Charlottenstrasse, one of the streets the wall had interrupted. Everywhere, the people of Berlin were busy tearing down, piece by piece, this infamous landmark. Chips from the wall were being sold around the world as souvenirs. The city was becoming one again, and the new Berlin grew richer with the reunion of its long-divided treasures. Brandenburg Gate is reopening, and the 1992 AES convention, held at Berlin's International Congress Center, can again be visited by everyone. Substantial changes are also taking place during this time at Neumann. The Neumann company is taken over by Sennheiser, a concern known throughout the world for its headphones, microphones, and RF transmission systems. Sennheiser is based near the German trade fair city of Hanover, but Neumann remains in Berlin, moving into a more modern building in the northern part of the city near Tegel Airport. Here we see the entrance area. On the left-hand side are the offices for management, marketing, sales, secretariat, and advertising. On the other side is the microphone development department, with an assembly area and a precision metal workshop. And finally, the important service department is located here. The development department naturally has all the latest measuring equipment at its disposal, including an anechoic chamber for precise acoustic measurements. Here, the microphone's frequency response can be determined exactly. Of course, there's also a display room where visitors are received in a pleasant atmosphere. Nearly all microphones of the present day are found here, as well as several historical pieces from the past. Today's microphones are manufactured using the most modern production techniques at Sennheiser's Wedemark plant. Here we have an opportunity to see just how a microphone is made. First, capsule electrodes are precision turned on a special lathe. Gold is then vaporized onto plastic membranes stretched over a metal frame in a vacuum. Next, the capsule is assembled. In this case, for the U87 microphone, extreme care is required in mounting the membrane to the backplate electrode. Meanwhile, at another workstation, the capsule head socket unit is being built. Following that, the microphone capsule is installed in the holding assembly and the shock protection is fitted. Capsule connection is accomplished with flexible connecting leads. Now, the fully assembled transducer unit with its holding assembly is inserted into the wire mesh cage. Meanwhile, the capsule head is attached to the microphone amplifier. Adding to that the housing tube and the screw cap, the microphone is now complete. For the transducer of the TLM50, a metal membrane is used, which can be screwed onto the backplate electrode. This work must be carried out under clean room conditions. Here we see the many individual parts from which a capsule is made. For a routine inspection in the climate cabin, 6 capsules are together fastened to an appropriate device. The finished microphones are individually tested in an anechoic chamber using computer-driven measuring instruments. Monitors display the response curves with the permissible tolerances. The famous superior quality of Neumann products is thus ensured also in the future.